In this video, we are going to see how we can book the sales order received from the customers against the finished goods that we don't have in stock. As we can see here on 12th of January, it says sales order received of shirts from Mr. Samuel Burns. Now, we have noticed that in this particular project, we didn't have any kind of finished goods as an opening stock. We only had the raw materials as a stock, and neither did we manufacture anything yet. We are just preparing to manufacture. We have purchased some of the raw materials, and in the future, just after a few days, we are planning to manufacture some of the items. So right now we don't have anything in stock. So in this scenario, what we'll do, let's see. First of all, from the daybook, I'll just press alternate A to go in the voucher creation mode, and on our right, we have the sales button. Next to it is an arrow sign where you can find the sales order. If you have this not activated, just go to the other vouchers, show inactive, and all the inactive functions will appear. So let's say I want to enable rejections in. Consider this, that if it is a sales order which is inactive, it will show you something like this in gray. Just double click to enable this and click yes. So same thing goes for sales order if you want to activate it. Let me just switch back to sales order. And now the order template is very simple. Just I'll enter the party name, Samuel Burns. If you don't have these order details, we'll skip through it by just pressing some enters, and same goes for the party details. Order number is 27. Sales ledger is already there. So select sales. The configuration is pretty simple. Control enter. If you want to create it for the first time, we just pressed Alt C, and the name of the ledger is sales under sales account. That's it. And the item that we are planning to sell is shirts. So I'll just select shirts here. Now guys, just remember that sometimes what happens is you are working in some other company. Just because Tele, whenever you reopen this, might open some other company. So if you can't see these stock items, that means that the company is not rightly enabled. Mine is correctly opened as Empire Textiles, but if not, and you are using some other companies, that's why it might not be showing the inventory that you are looking for, and instead you see some other inventory. So it is preferred to shut the company. For example, you have Elite Traders enabled. You just go to the company. Next to it is an arrow sign. Just click on shut company. Shut it from here. Select this and just open the next company. This is Empire Textiles open. Now, let me just show you that when we quit this and when we open and continue with Teleprime again, it again opens Elite Traders. So just make sure of that you select the right company. Shut company. I'll just shut Elite Traders. Empire Textiles. I'll just open that. Alright, now let's continue with the voucher creation, and that was for sales order. I didn't enter that. So let's go to the sales order. Next to it, let's click on sales order. Party name is Samuel Burns. And hit enter and enter. We'll skip through all of this part. And the date of order is 27. Sales ledger, I'll select that sales ledger. And we are receiving the order for shirts, and now it should show the correct inventory. And the inventory is due on, I'll keep it all the dates to 31st of January. The items requested is 1800. It shows the negative stock warning because we don't have any finished goods in stock yet. But this is the normal course of manufacturing companies, that they take the order from the customers even if we don't have it, and we will produce that goods in future. So that's not a problem. Just continue by pressing enter, and right here 400. This makes the total to 720,000. Press Ctrl A and hit enter and enter, enter, enter. Go in the narration, just copy and paste this narration right here and press Ctrl A to save. So this is how we can book the sales order in Teleprime. Just try this by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.